Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Chase app. You will go to settings, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Chase app. Here in this page of app info you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Chase. If you find update here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.